Probably the most commonly asked question in regards to wholesaling, and that is EMD, earnest money deposit. How much of a deposit do I need to put down when I have a property under contract? And the answer is really it's up to you. I put in houses under contract for $1. What I like to do is no more than $10, and that sounds crazy to most people because they don't understand when you're dealing directly with the seller. You're more in control as if you were opposed to somebody dealing with the bank, because typically you have to put a $500 deposit, when earnest money deposit when you're trying to purchase a house the traditional way. But this is direct to seller. There's nobody involved. So to believe it or not, 9 out of 10 people don't question that. And if you really sound and kind of know the gist of wholesaling, and you sound like you know what you're talking about, they won't even question it. So if you sound confident in what you're saying and you present it to the seller as you're an investor, okay, this is the deposit I'm gonna put down. And some of the if it comes down to that you really have to put a deposit down, and they're requesting like a $500 deposit. If it's really if you know it's a deal for sure, then you can put it down. But you never give it directly to the seller. You would tell them that you're gonna keep it in escrow with the title company, and you never give it directly to the seller. Just a FYI. But yeah, you can put a house on the contract for $1. And I know a lot of people are like, "Are you crazy?" Done it plenty of times. When you're dealing directly with the seller, it's not a big deal if you present it the right way. And they don't even balk at that. Like, they don't even question that. If they do question it, say you don't want to put a deposit down because title hasn't cleared, or you don't know if there's any liens on the property, you know, if we're able to close and things like that. Or you can put it in the contract. The deposit is refundable, and things like that. So it's not really a big deal. I wouldn't worry too much about it. But just never give the seller a deposit. Always keep the deposit with the title company in escrow. So that's pretty much it, guys. And I know a lot of people are probably thinking,